What if I told you that 2025 could be the year you finally crack the code to building real wealth? Not the fake Instagram wealth you see online, but actual financial freedom that lets you sleep peacefully at night. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You're probably living paycheck to paycheck, stressed about money, and wondering if you'll ever get ahead. Sound familiar? What I'm about to share with you are 5 simple moves that can completely transform your financial future. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're proven strategies that actually work for regular people like you and me. Move number 1. Pay yourself first, automatically. Most people save whatever's left at the end of the month. Spoiler alert, there's never anything left. We're flipping that script entirely. Here's exactly how to do it. Log into your online banking right now. Find the automatic transfer option. Set up a recurring transfer for the same day you get paid. Even if it's just $50 a month, that money disappears before you can spend it on something else. This removes emotion from the equation. No willpower required, no temptation to spend it. It's like having a personal assistant whose only job is to make you wealthy. Set it once and watch your wealth grow on autopilot. Move number 2. Put your money to work in index funds. Keeping all your money in savings is safe, but it'll never make you wealthy. Inflation will slowly eat away at its value. Here's the beginner-friendly solution: index funds. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, you buy a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. An S&P 500 index fund gives you instant ownership in America's 500 largest companies. You're not betting on one company, you're betting on the entire economy. Getting started takes 15 minutes. Open an account with a low-cost brokerage like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Set up automatic investments into funds like VOO or VTI. These track the entire stock market with fees under 0.1%. Invest the same amount every month regardless of market conditions. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, has created more millionaires than any other investment approach. Move number 3. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one job is financial suicide. What happens if you get laid off? Your entire world collapses. We're fixing that. Look at skills you already have. Good at design, writing, or social media. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines. Got a spare room? Airbnb it. Have a car? Drive for Uber on weekends or rent it on Turo when you're not using it. Even simple services like tutoring, social media management, or reselling thrift store finds can add hundreds to your monthly income. Here's the magic. That extra $500 a month doesn't go to lifestyle inflation. It goes straight to investments. $500 monthly invested in index funds becomes over $1 million in 30 years. That's the power of a simple side hustle. Move number 4. Destroy high-interest debt like your financial life depends on it. Credit card debt at 22% interest is a wealth-destroying emergency. It's like trying to run up a down escalator. You work hard, but get nowhere. Make a list of all debts from highest to lowest interest rate. This is your financial hit list. Attack the highest rate first with every extra dollar while making minimums on others. When it's gone, roll that payment to the next debt. This creates an unstoppable avalanche effect. Move number 5. The greatest investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Your skills, knowledge, and health are your most valuable assets. The more you learn, the more you can earn. And nobody can ever take that knowledge away from you. Take online courses in high-demand skills like coding or digital marketing. Read books on finance and business. Learn a new language. These investments pay dividends forever. New skills lead to promotions, higher salaries, and more profitable side hustles. It's the gift that keeps on giving. There you have it. 5 moves that can transform your financial future. Automate savings, invest in index funds, build income streams, destroy debt, and invest in yourself.
Want smarter money moves every day? Let's make it happen. Hit like, subscribe, and share for practical tips that lead to real success. From tips to success, stay tuned, stay smart with Earn Smart today.